Have you ever wondered how windy it is right where you are? We often found that the official wind readings are just too far away from the good surf spots. That's why we came up with the Vaavud wind meter for smartphones. The Vaavud wind meter is based on a revolutionary technology. It contains no electronics and is totally wireless. The secret is two small magnets in the rotor. These are detected by the magnetic field sensor in your smartphone, and then the signal is converted to wind speed. The Vaavud wind meter has been tested and calibrated in a wind tunnel at the Technical University of Denmark.
Hi Kickstarters, we're the Vaavud team. We've teamed up to bring you the Vaavud wind meter for smartphones. We've got all the core technology and our prototypes in place, but we need your help to really get going. We need to fund investments in production tools, and we need to place the first production order. So please back our project and share it with your friends. Thanks.